in this period we will understanding greatest common divisor GCD or highest common factor. SCF or GCF both are equal. So we will learning highest common factor. So what is higher common factor? Common factors we already know. जर आपल्याला दोन नंबर दिलेले असेल तर त्या नंबरपैकी किती नंबर कॉमन आहे ते आपल्याला दाखवायचं. सो दिस इज द हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर. हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर मीन्स मॅक्सिमम कॉमन नंबर किती आहे ते आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. ओके, सो लेट्स वी आर फॅमिलियर विथ द HCF अँड LCM ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर्स. Let us learn something more about them. The HCF or the GCD of given numbers is their greatest common divisor or factor. Okay, we will learning the greatest common divisor. In each of the following example, write all the factors of the number and find the greatest common divisor. Number first, second, third. Now we will solving this example. We already learn how to factorize or prime number. Okay, let's factorize number first. 28, 42. Okay, write down here 22, here 42. Let's factorize 28. Draw a straight line. Again draw some line. Okay, now if we have even number, so we will dividing this number by 2. So 14 2s are 28 or 2 14s are 28. So it is what? It is 14. Again 14 is divided by 2. So it is 14 7s are 2 7s are 14. So it is 7. Now 7 is a prime number. So prime number is divided by only 1 and itself. So it is 7. 7 ones are 7. So the prime of the factor of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. This is the factor of 28. Now let's factorize 42. Again 42 divided by 2. So it is what? 42 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. It is 21. Now 21 is divided by 3 because 21 comes in 3's table. So it is 3 7s are what? 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. So it is also a prime number. So prime number is divided by only 7. So 7 ones are 7. So factor of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, is that correct or not? Let's see, let's check. 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So this is the correct factor of 42. And let's check this. 2 2s are 4 or 4 7s are 28. It is also correct. Now check the which is the prime, which is the common prime of these factors. Look at the starting 2. Okay, it has 2. It is also 2. Okay, 1 2 and 1 2. So we will write here common factor of 28, 42 is the first कोणते? It is 2. Okay, get comma. Again 2 here. No, it is 3. इथं डबल 2 आहे का? नाही आहे. इथं आता 3 आहे. याच्यात 3 आहे का? नाही आहे. It has 7. It is also 7. So 7. So the common factor of 28 and 42 is 2, 7. This is the common factor of 28 and 42. ओके, लक्षात. कॉमन फॅक्टर म्हणजे कसं काढणार आपण? हायेस्ट कॉमन म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त जितके कॉमन फॅक्टर असेल ते कॉमन फॅक्टर आपण काढणार. तर याच्यात 2 कॉमन आहे. इथं 2 आहे, इथं 2 आहे. अगेन 2 आहे का? याच्यात नाही आहे, तर आपण एकच 2 घेणार. 3 आहे का? इथे 3 आहे. इथे 3 आहे का? नाही आहे. 7 आहे, इथं 7 आहे, तर आपण 7 घेतलं. कॉमनमध्ये दोन्ही साईडला ते असणार. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. let's factorize 51 and 27. So we will factorizing 51 by 3. Let's 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and 2 here, remain 2. So 3 sevens are 21. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Now let's factorize 17. 17 is a prime number, so 17 is divided by 1 or itself, so it is 17. 1s are 17. So 51's factor are 3 comma 3 into 17. This is the factor of 51. Now factorize 27. Now tell me, can we factorize 27 by 3? So it is, yes, 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Again we will factorize 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again we factorize by 3. 3 is a prime number, so 3 1s are 3. So this is the factors of 27. Let's say 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay, and 3 17s are 51. So this is the factor. Now let's common factor. So 3 is a common and 1 3 is a common, and after 7 is not same, आणि इथे 3 3 आहे, तर इथे कॉमन फॅक्टर काय आहे? ओनली 3. The common factor of 51 comma 27 is only 3. इथं एकच आहे, तर आपण फक्त एकच लिहिणार इथं. ठीक आहे, दिस इज द हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर. Okay, now number 3. 25, 15 and 35. आपल्याला माहीत आहे इथं 5 आहे, 5 आहे, 5 आहे, ते टोटल फॅक्टराइज होणार. कोणत्या टेबलनं फॅक्टराइज होणार? कोणत्या टेबलनं फॅक्टराइज होणार? 5. ओके, लेट्स फॅक्टराइज. 5 5s are 25. Again let's 5. So 5 1s are 5. So it is a factor of 25. 5 into 5. Okay, now again 15. 5 3s are 15. Now 5 3 1s are 3. 5 into 3. Again 5 7s are 35. 7 is a prime number, so 7 1s are 7. So it is 5 into 7. So the greatest common factor, highest common factor is only 5 and 5. So it is 5. Okay, hope you understand.